Are you constantly crying when it comes to cutting onions? No matter which way you slice or dice, it's a battle to cut them small. If you spend more time chopping and prepping your food than eating it, then you'll love the all-new Rapid Chop Pro, the 2-speed manual food processor that's big enough to chop 3 whole onions. Add the dual-speed lid and just pull on the retractable cord. For a chunky chop, just pull and stop. For a finer slice, pull it twice. The more you pull, the finer the chop until you stop. In the same time it takes you to get out the knife and the board, you can chop and drop straight into the pan. When you're done, it cleans easy under a tap. Specifically engineered, the secret's in the retractable self-contained gearing system with 2-speed pull, chop and stop technology. Speed 1 powers through thick carrots and chunky onions for a beef stew or sizzling stir fry in seconds. Speed 2 is a massive 24 times faster than a knife. Make a superb salsa, fancy falafel or tasty tabbouleh. Even a whole omelette can be made in the same bowl. Electrical blenders can over-chop your food. Rapid Chop Pro controls the speed and size of your cuts. Make cauliflower rice or finely chopped chilies, garlic, ginger and more without the lingering smell. Flimsy small pull choppers slip, jam and break. Strong enough to power through 2 whole carrots, the large 1 litre bowl's non-slip base stays in place.
I like cooking, I hate the prep. This is just so easy to use.
It makes it so much faster than what it used to be. I love it.
So stop struggling with all the mayhem of prep time in your kitchen. Guaranteed the easiest way to chop, prep and pull a meal together or your money back.